Hi guys, welcome back. This is episode 3 of Bogota. Today we are at the Salitre Magico, which is a theme park. We're gonna check it out. Haven't been here in over 10 years, I think, so wondering what's new, what's gone, and excited for the day. So we're gonna head now to the security check first, buy the tickets, and have fun today.
Our visit to the Salitre Magico was on a Saturday. As expected, weekends are usually busier, and on this day it was no exception. Upon doing some prior research on this theme park, I found a lot of negative reviews on it, which did give me some concerns, but we did decide to visit anyway. My first impression after this many years is that it was still very clean and well organized. A lot of the older attractions were also still open, together with a few new ones, totaling 39 rides. The first one we decided to visit was my least favorite at any type of these parks, namely the classic Ferris wheel. Let me briefly explain why.
I'm not very fond of heights. I'd rather go in that one than doing this one. Right now we're gonna go into this airplane of Avianca. Not sure what it's all about, but it's set here in the park, and I'm not sure if it's gonna have like the history of maybe Avianca or history of Colombian aviation or something. I have no idea, so let's check it out.
Que esta no es una simulación de un avión, sino es un avión real de los años 60. En la parte izquierda van a poder encontrar la cabina de vuelo, la cual van a poder observar pero no ingresar. Van a encontrar el baño, la cocina, sala VIP, sala turística. Los que deseen pueden permanecer en la sala turística viendo un video que dura 8 minutos acerca de la historia de aviación en Colombia y cómo el avión llegó al parque.
Sadly enough, I could not film in many of these attractions, but I did wanted to take you guys on a ride in the next one. While it was a handful driving and filming at the same time, I managed to start last, but finish in first place. Next, it was time to get wet in the splash. An extremely short yet fun boat ride. In my opinion, a must-do. So that one misses. I got a little bit wet, but not too bad. That has got to be one of the quickest waterfalls on the planet, but it's sure fun. The water splash is pretty cool breeze.
pretty wide, so definitely recommend it.
Just in case you're wondering, there are several rides for smaller kids too.
So we just went into the double loop roller coaster. I couldn't film, obviously, couldn't take the camera with me, but I'm gonna show you guys more or less the end part of the second loop. So there's climbing over there, and it's gonna go around and do a first loop, and then we'll see the second loop over here. So I just wanted to talk a little bit further about this Salitre Magico part. We paid about 80,000 peso per person to get in. That's around $27-28 more or less per person. And we decided later on to add the fast pass, which was 30,000. So that makes it a total of 110. It should be around $38 or so per person. It's quite fun. A little bit inefficient, I have to say, in the lines and such, but apart from that, having a good time all together. And now we're gonna finally have something to eat, which is included by Enterprise, by the way.
Obviously, comparing this park to others like Disney, Universal, etc. is extremely unfair. Yet for me, it had the right balance of attractions, rides, and shows. While we paid extra to get in certain attractions, there are cheaper tickets, for example for the younger kids. Here we were trying to shoot free throws, but I guess we will stick to baseball for now.
That's not going on YouTube.
Last, we went to the Castle of Terror, which is a haunted house you walk through. It is fairly long and well organized, so make sure you don't miss it. This completes the Bogota series. If you haven't seen the prior 2 episodes, I have created a playlist for it, so please check it out on my channel. I thank you for watching, and remember to like and subscribe for more content coming your way. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.